Hi babes, I'm back with another video. Eating some Chestnut Hill, y'all. Take me some big bites and then your girl is out. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. I don't know what it's doing, y'all. Mm, 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 mm. This was dry, y'all. It was dry. Really, really dry, man. Mm. Here, babes. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. Mm, mm. Mm, mm.
Hey, babes.
Mm-hmm. Mm, 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 mm. We got another Dollar Tree for the close down, y'all. I mean, Family Island. So I go get all the starch out there. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-mm-mm. First stretch of the day, y'all, something. I want some big bites. Now I'm satisfied. The craving is over. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Y'all comment below and tell me how many days of school y'all got left. We got 16. By the time y'all see this video, though, we have like 14. Yeah. Even 13, probably. Mm-mm-mm. I like that. It's so good, fresh, pure, chestnut hill, delicious. So, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to subscribe to your girl's channel. It's free, and they'll love it here, babe. And they won't be disappointed. In my kid's voice. One more bite, babe. It's not going to be as big as the other ones. Well, I guess I told a story. Mm-mm-mm. 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 I'm gonna give me some good together. Our family. I go in the container. Great value in the box. In the Myers brand. So I'm gonna get the Target brand, good together. Myers brand. Some more chestnut hill. And I wish I can get some Clover Valley. The white bag, I'm out of them. The lipids drop on the napkin. But I wanted to. So good together. Myers brand. Our family and great value. That's what I get. That was so good, babe. It's good, babes. Bye, babes.